Fáilte rás go háte goil támuid ag gobar le fáilte Ireland le léirgus nua a thuirtaíomh Éireann. Keep discovering one short break at a time.
Well, it's October and the countdown to Iahona is on.
Mars Oldiev Éire is the home of Halloween.
It sure is, Darren. And this Jerry, we're encouraging you to rediscover Halloween's true origins, Samhain, and experience its rich, immersive season.
Saran 360, it's not just one night of costumes and treats, Colony.
Absolutely not. There are so many things to see and do all over the country. Did somebody say 7 homes of Halloween hubs?
Go on, Louise, take over my code there. I'm going to write these ones down.
So there's Galway City, Meath and Louth, Longford and Westmeath. There's Kerry, Fingal in County Dublin, Limnock, Kilcannig. Each hub offers an authentic celebration of Samhain here in Ireland, where it all began.
Thank you, Arthur. From Macnas to Halloween Howl to the Puka Festival and beyond, every corner of Éire comes alive with ancient energy and celebration at this time of year.
And it's not just music and mischief. There is so much more to enjoy, from food festivals like Savour in Kilkenny and Listowel Food Fair in Kerry to storytelling events and Samhain workshops Fud Fod na Tíre.
There is so much to see and do. Visit Discover Ireland Punk.ie for some inspiration and plan your home of Halloween trip and figure out what's going on this Samhain season.
Sinead, Cuinnegarv ag 8 an Éireann. Colleen, did you know if you're aged between 25 and 65, well, you can get a free HPV cervical check. It's one of the best ways to protect yourself from cervical cancer.
And you know what? I actually checked only recently when mine was due, and no exaggeration, it took me less than 5 minutes.
Go on, Miss To-Do List.
That's me.
Well, can I show you, Darren, just how easy it is, right?
Okay.
You open your phone, you go online to hse.ie/cervical check, put in your PPS number, stick in the date of birth, and then they tell you when your next appointment is due.
Oh my God,
I know.
that's unreal.
And you can check you're on the register on the website, or you can phone 1-800 45 45 55.
Do you know, that is so straightforward, but we tend to put these things on the long finger.
We do. And it is worth saying, girls, even if you've had a normal screening test, you just shouldn't ever ignore the signs of cervical cancer, such as bleeding in between your periods or bleeding after sex. Call your GP right now if that's the case.
Yeah, 8 le the Curp. Listen to your body. You know it better than anyone. Empower yourself.
If your test is due today, you can book it today or hse.ie/cervical check.
Steve, August, Baltiki, go how to go a lumps to Shiva.
Lumps Louise.
August lumps of Darren.
And they're in. We caught with day of flay.
Oh, yeah.
On scarf.
How rich now. The scarf is a rash.
Now, okay, so this is the famous €100 scarf that Louise convinced me to buy.
Yeah,
okay,
but now
what
all in a toshi.
Yeah, do you know, but no, it was for an outfit, and the vision, like, in fairness, the outfit would have been delicious. It would have been so nice, but it was too much for the Tommy Tiernan show, and it was too much for the show, the demographic, what was happening. It was because it showed a lot of skin. We had
It was very short.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we all, in fairness, there was a decision made in the group chat that time.
Yeah.
We went with the other Guna. But of course that meant that I just forgot to send back the scarf. And
Yeah,
I
show
have
me.
it, so,
Like
yeah.
the trailer point toss.
Okay.
This is Heish now, Scarfgate a Gurkig.
No.
So,
I'm
Chama show me
jealous.
her fod, ag shield team mar Sean Maria was very
Yeah.
Dalaboshti. One, try on.
It's giving Edna O'Brien.
It's giving Amelia Earhart.
Yeah,
But
basically.
she was
a bad bitch.
Yeah, she went. Yeah.
Yeah, but Shiva, you're not. Why are you putting it down stupid like that in your head? Push it back. A bit
Sorry,
of
you
yeah.
that's
Being a convertible.
Yeah, in Monaco.
What
It's
could have
like
been?
there
I
needs to be
know.
a bit of gruig, like it's chic.
It's chic. When I saw Kevin Toomey in this scarf at Electric Picnic, and
Yeah,
Aoife,
go hauling.
Aoife Smith, who I work with a lot, was also in a similar look, and I was fucking
Yeah,
queen.
Vichyco.
It's so glam.
Yeah.
It's so that
Can we
is
share
now.
it?
Oh yeah, we can.
Okay,
Okay. So it's giving.
not.
not me in there, Anava.
So it's giving Edna O'Brien. It's giving Amelia Earhart.
All the iconic women.
I would say it's giving. Do you know what it's giving?
Yeah.
Anyone that is confident enough to wear Rodagant or in Chiam. There's like you need a headpiece, like
Girls, wait till you see me clip
the bandana's back.
The fucking
Yeah,
the East Village. The East Village in this now.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
It's also hard to see.
men to buy
That's
me
like shock though, vibes.
Yeah, I love.
Stevie
Now I'm-
Nicks, like Sprallam shit.
So prepared now. So this will be the outfit for the winter. We'll be in the boots. We'll be in the scarves
And the headpiece.
And the
Yeah.
yeah.
It'll be
the whole lot.
scarves and nothing
The
else
whole
last, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, there's that as well. Look, you could tie up somebody's hands here fairly handy in the bedroom, couldn't
Oh,
you?
Jesus, at least we
There
know what
you go
they're into.
No, yeah, there you go.
guys,
Now that's real like school receptionist.
just-
Yeah, I know.
Oh well, sorry, no offense to school receptionists, but you know what I mean.
No, and
Really.
we support them all, our stock, you know?
Yes.
Coach here now I'd be look,
Yeah.
you know, and that.
My fave way to wear these is, you know, just like this.
Yeah.
Me
Yeah.
going to any wedding I've ever been to.
I know, yeah, very good.
Tá mé chun montage
Wedding.
a chus seach in is that banish ar fád.
Scarf ceilings, yeah.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
My sister's wedding. Scarves.
Yeah.
If in doubt, scarf it out.
Yeah.
Come here. Give me
No.
your sail father got to let the rick show.
Oh my God.
And
Yeah.
now I was kind of raging that you talked me into this, but now I'm delighted.
Yeah.
And it goes, I got a beautiful new suede jacket, and it goes
Yeah.
so well with the suede jacket.
Nice.
So it was meant to be. It was just,
Yeah.
it was a little bit of the new. You were just, you knew.
Do you know what?
that
I was
I'd
ahead
have
of it.
the Era.
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
knew. And
Yeah.
here it has.
And now I'm jealous.
I'm also thinking though of an Rark Shin in The Devil Wears Prada, and I'm like, ye did not choose this scarf.
Yeah.
The scarf was chosen for you by
Yes.
Dinna Egan, Dinna Egan. Into Eiruk, in fairness.
Yeah,
But-
totally. No, look, I mean, yeah, absolutely. And now, can I continue on for the rest of
Yeah, sorry, you
Absolutely.
can't.
No,
Absolutely.
yeah,
I
yeah.
can
Are you-
commit to it now.
Cairtá you
Yeah.
gut.
And
Like,
cute.
Yes. Hey.
sold. I've got it. I'm
We're
buying
all-
whatever you're selling.
We'll have three.
So le bhag raig go tupping na seachna seo mír beag ó fáilte Ireland Díobh. Colony, me van fortha own, a great time to get away for a city break, okay? You have that kind of autumnal, crispy feeling in the air. Everyone's wearing scarves. It's a great time.
Perfect.
is.
For a
Perfect.
city break in Erin.
Absolutely.
You know?
And do you know where I'd go after if I had to choose a city, lads?
Oh, I wonder.
Well, I'm going to surprise you with this. I would be back to Limerick. And I'll tell you why.
sure
Limerick
we go.
City,
Sure
where
we do.
Shannon River waters flow. Not only that, if you wanted a lovely little evening Sachar, you might go to a beautiful candlelit concert. You'd have your choice, beautiful venues.
Yeah.
And there's nothing like a bit of Kjol by candlelight. You know yourself, isn't that your
Yeah.
love language?
Oh, so they say, you know.
Out where I'm from
You're trying
myself,
to seduce someone with that now.
maybe bring whoever you want to choose to Limerick.
There you go. Jeez, that.
If the if the candlelight concert doesn't work, during Curchase Forest Park. Now, there's an awful battle in Curchase. Is it in Kilcornan? Is it in Adair? Anyway, it's in both places and it's lovely. And if you don't want to go there, you continue down the N69. Amelia Earhart could put back on her scarf over her head. The Foynes Flying Boat Museum.
what?
Did you know there was a flying boat in Limerick?
No, is this like Limerick's answer to the Viking Splash?
Oh, girl, this was years before it. You could fly anywhere. You could fly and then land on the water. Flying Boat Museum, Foynes. 10 out of 10. And it's
we
also
have
the
to do
home of
that
the
now.
Irish coffee.
Extremely intrigued.
So now,
Now,
they always say
now-
before you fly a boat, have an Irish strong coffee.
No. I don't know. Don't they claim that the Irish coffee originated in Shannon?
I'd say Claire, that's Claire at it again. Trying to
Claire
steal
has
stuff
again.
from Limerick.
All time. All
Classic,
time.
classic
Classic,
wheater on
yeah.
floor.
Classic.
Right, come with us, it though.
You nearly got me there. Oh, but listen. I'd probably have to go down to the Rebel County, the People's Republic of Cork, the home of all the great Munster poets, you know. And that's where I'd go. I think I would land into Cork City. What I would do is I'd go to the Cork bike hire, right? I get a couple of bikes. I would shoot around the city, go into the English market, get a little treat there, beautiful little cheesy bits, toasties, some desserts. Then I would enjoy a couple of pints of Beamish in all the local deadly pubs. I love the High B, I love the Crown Bar there. The next day I'd get up early. I would go out to Spike Island. Have either of you been to Spike Island?
No, a dear lass with the cove, not
Yes,
No,
yeah.
but an irritant clutch to come free.
Well, do you know what? I play a great reel called the Spike Island Lasses,
Oh.
and I play it well. And
I
I
don't doubt it.
and I would bring you out to Spike Island. I'd play you a turn at the Spike Island Lasses, and then if that didn't work, I'd bring you into the Marina Market in Cork, and we'd bop around there and get little bits. And
That's
surprise,
it. You've got
surprise!
a sandwich Spike Island in the middle of two markets.
There you go.
And that's Cork in a
And
sandwich.
that's Cork in a sandwich, you know. And I tell you about all the great revolutionaries and the burning of Cork in 1920. And by God, if I didn't have you then, I don't know when I ever would.
There'd be no escape now.
There'd be no escape.
Well, Marco on Virt August kind of ag fila a whaile go bhur máiltí bhur áit na núkish to Michigan Eula again to middle go Carn Galva.
Oh,
the tribesmen.
the Galway girl.
I'm a Galway girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Il Coney own or fat Kaiki she still have go block Leah.
Well, nothing
Absolutely.
says.
I'm a blowing.
You are, yeah.
So, okay, the middle go Galiev. Now, Ladani Kaimé Raw, Tá Tartar. I have a
Okay.
fierce thirst, right?
Have
Okay.
you?
So, on Cater Tá Yenna Gum, Igarna Galva, now I am going to Tribe Gin Galway.
Oh.
I was someone to win trial.
Little distillery.
Absolutely. Someone to win trial last na gins.
know,
Absolutely.
fair.
Good
Good
You
da.
know? Yeah. Now, better ni like unlosh show dumpsa, but ye can taste the gin for me.
No, better women.
Okay, Anige Shin. Because I'm a girl, Galway girl. We're going on Galway girl cruises.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes.
uh,
Air. on Owen.
I love a
On
boat.
a
I love
yacht
a river
or
and I love a
Cork
boat.
I was like, Caird 8 on Owen.
On Cork Rib.
Carib. Yeah.
Arab. Yeah, I was on the tip of my tongue. Go there. Yeah, I think a little cruise.
Yeah,
you know, couple-
gorge.
like Specty Graina, scarf, looking of day, you buy, and I'm sure Code Gollivuk is coming
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Finally, to the mock, Higna Hill on. Okay, Air Oran scenic flights.
Lovely, lovely,
Yeah,
lovely.
Yeah, and we're skipping
Girl,
the
I
ferry.
wonder could I give you the flying boat up from Foynes?
Maybe you
Hop
could.
on with me and we head out.
Yeah.
They
Commute.
might- I don't know. I don't know if the Galway lads would fly Galway or a Limerick boat.
Well,
yeah,
that's
well,
true.
Some fear.
Yeah, and look, we're skipping the ferry. Tá the mock Higna Hill on Air Oran.
Not das,
I
not
know,
das.
I know, they're
Yeah.
tiny little planes. They weigh you before you get on, so you have to behave yourself before you get there.
Not too much gin.
And then we'll get out to the Aran Islands and we'll have the most beautiful day.
Pints of Guinness and tea neds, fresh lobster, fresh crab claws. I'm there.
Shin and Ishmore.
No, Shin and Sheer.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, tea ned is in a sheer. It's, yeah. Then should I suppose Gmech Dilmach go the Muintry Laharton sonar in Ishmore. Yeah.
For a few jigs
Yeah,
and reels.
yeah.
A
I
Katie
Ashton
Moore day
Jack.
there.
I see it's on. Yeah. And yeah. Well, you know, Shiva, I often told you that I've fallen in love many a time in Galway City. When I was in college in Galway, I'd be up and down Shop Street at the weekend and the beautiful West of Ireland men. So I think we could be due another trip to
I think
Galway. What do
so.
you think?
I think because it's a romantic city as
It
Galway.
is romantic. It's
it
Clava.
is.
It's the
Or
kind
is
of
it
hooks you in, isn't it?
The little cobblestone shoe load down Shop
Yeah.
Street. There's a little, as you clog along there, clippity clog down the stride.
I'd bring you down to the pitches there, the swamp there, just the other side of Spanish Arch. Tell you where my Gaelic football career peaked.
Yeah.
The
swamp?
Yeah, the swamp. Yeah, with Shinna ladies during the pitches, and some of either on the
Do you know what now? I wouldn't want to be in any swamps, but what I would like to be is Cushtina somewhere in Galway. So where is the best place? But we must do a whole episode on this. Somewhere, a bar with a fireplace. You know, we've done one before for great smoking areas. I want to know about the great fireplaces.
T-Nafton is a
T-Nafton,
you
great.
can't beat
You can't beat
T-Nafton.
it.
Coley's is my favourite.
Yeah.
Taft's is a great fire.
Yeah.
Taft's is great. Sunday and Taft's is the best. There you go. There you go. I tell you, yeah. I
You
feel
bring
like
the
we're all
ball
going to
down and
Galway.
go for a puck around the swamp, and we'll be have the fire.
That's
We'll have to
all
share
right.
the cocker warm.
Yeah.
We'll be
Yeah,
there
there you
in
go.
Tinton when you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Well,
girls, you need to also come to Limerick. Like, I need to bring you to Courage East and Forest Park. It'd be lovely.
yeah, I have to. And do you know what?
Yeah.
What I really want to go down. I really want to get the bowl of chowder in the Curragh Hour because
Oh
it is
yeah.
chef's
yeah.
kiss. So
Divine.
good.
Yeah. We could
divine.
do that. Not a bother.
Yeah, we could
Easily
do that.
sorted. Yeah.
Easily sorted. You
Come
hear
on.
her now,
Oh,
right?
I'm in.
Yeah.
I know a few people. In Limnock. I'll make a few calls.
Okay, my van. Well, there you go, girls. That's the plans. Idir Shahag, Samshire, Nullock.
And we have a driver.
And we have perfect. Perfect.
So
If
now
you just get the car going again now, we'll be happy.
So now I have to watch you drink all my gin and I have to drive you everywhere.
I know, but no, there'll be plenty of historic walks, loads of scenic routes. So we'll be putting down the days,
Listen,
you know, nice and healthily in
those
doing
boats
these-
don't fly themselves.
Yeah. Now,
Right, Glenn. Okay, top na seachtainna colony an teachtain seo ná how to journal, okay? And muhíim that this is a bit out of my wheelhouse, out of my comfort zone. I don't think you're a rud seo around own ag an ach tá just hate fake smuoine faoi anna chuid a daine. Like, I don't write, I don't jot things down. The closest thing I have to a journal is my notes app and my Instagram captions. Like, should have made like
Wow.
yeah,
Oh my
honestly,
God.
ní bhíam. And-
Riamh agus tú fás níos even.
Oh yeah, agus mé fás
yeah.
níos, but just like lí knows it hagam
Yeah.
anish, you know, so lá tá new out. And tá mé hééis a bheith kind of ag smuoine faoi anna chuid, agus mé agsúil, I'm like, níl mé gur go an tola seo caiilte go. You
Yeah,
know,
totally.
like, mar gach seachtain athraíon rudí, and like,
Yeah.
ní raibh mé bracha éonar sias. So sin cúise for a hain gur hos mé smuoine faoi sin, and cúise for dó just has to gwem rud ag an níos crohí dhéanamh le ma hair le ma láva, you know,
Yeah,
because like I don't
yeah.
really do anything le ma láva seacha sin. Well,
oh my God, you dirty thing.
yeah, no, sorry, that was really dirty. On Gamad and Shiv dealing.
Oh, do you even have to ask? I've got like 5 at the go at the one time for different like things.
Yeah.
I'm a fucking love vet journaling. Actually, Hanig ma ahar Shanna journal vigo ner vi me in my Yegor. I'll actually share some pictures because have her on her fad gumeng a foulum. The screen she had to Shanna Chloe. And honestly, if you saw it, it's like a piece of work because vi got her absolutely perfect. But I would like painstakingly take a really long time to let like Din Kinte go rev and Chloe absolutely perfect. Agus na Shanna have her on Shanna share fad like Screefish Shanna Chloe just like so that I'd vecht half of the gum does na keen go out to foul them. And then like I went back to them and I was like do I still remember this? And actually he's fós coin me. Like, you know, you just your songs falling in and out of favour, but yeah, that was a big thing.
But I chuir más rudí gribh tusa like a close scríb na hÉireann go dtí go raibh siad umlán crin sa close sin. Sin bailach an a bhá le cuimhniúir stuff, you know?
Yeah,
basically
really
stá there gan is the town.
Absolutely, yeah.
But so Camadan stuff stealing inish.
Oh, all the time. All the time.
So
Been
we
loads
did
of different. Like same time I'm really busy. Bader to be gach tarn in a trio law, but yeah, being absolutely like oh yeah, love, and it's just so handy, especially in the Ravima kind of obviously like they'll treat and break. So like Vlian say Rimish and break up sin ar fad. We may abit and nervy may bridge to suas. We may abit dul sheer agus say sin ar fad the leiv and be like, oh my god. Okay, near my sauce, and then like dull treat, like, you know, trust my chnasaha, you know, fech term ferbert in her fad, you know, agus to a few soon time, and like, you know, to say just really untach, and then like near hand to fech and sheer trave should the hail. Sorry, scarf falling again. Near hand to fech and sheer trave should the hail.
Continuity girl.
Yeah, but we may on a house egg trave she ella like just like say so of shame, but then ruddy ella kasula, you know, nervy me Coney and Olive. Like really nervy me like just loads of different trave sheet in my head. What I was thinking, cause we my buiachas. Yeah, and it's always on road. It's so funny in their hand to sheer and like, oh, chap my girl out my cacht untach, and then like actually that comes up again and again her in the blianta, and I'm like, how many times you have to keep relearning on cacht Kayana, but then I think I'm having this big enlightened moment. Well, I had that last year as well. I'm just never, you know what I mean? So I love big journaling fan.
Oh, come on, agus céirt foods, Louise.
Bhí mise arás ag fásaníos, I would write gachile ihe, agus nervous machoni imainer. I'm gone go donna le cúplin. It's probably just out of laziness and not just making it a point to do it.
Yeah.
But tá cúpla díal in agam, yeah, like that. I have such amazing ones from growing up of like the things nervy me ano miach ag Jane of gymnastics, right? I would write always like how I'd feel after training, my relationship with coaches. I was so dean main agus me on the og, and it's amazing to see like the competitive nature. Like reading it now, I'm like, Jesus, 13-year-old Louise needed a fucking break. But it's funny, it's actually, but it's amazing to look back. So I have Iad Galera Gumsa, Nikina Via Gum, Nervious Van Skull. I was religious for it. Amazing. I always kept diary, like every night, anything that happened, things about my friends and everything. And then Nervious and Skull, I remember one of the girls finding one of my diaries and being really embarrassed. So then stuff Mishek Shkriv, like Cola Nunachchin, just because I was really like, you know, McCaunt, I suppose.
Sorry, that's such an invasion of privacy. Did she read it?
I think it was just like it was in the room, you know, like I had it up on the side of the desk. It wasn't like a big secret that it was in there or whatever. But, and I just was probably a bit embarrassed at that age. Come on,
I would do it too, though. That's really mortifying.
Because Norty or just Norty like, oh my god, do you keep a diary? Just really go himpy the shit. And that would gut you though.
Yeah.
You know,
you're like, and then I just got busy and cool or whatever. But now I find
busy and cool.
Do you know, like you'd be too cool for writing.
Like very busy and very cool.
Do you know what I mean? I feel though like no, you know,
winding scarves around her all day long. Sorry,
you know, like you wouldn't be like, I'm going to lie into bed and journal. And then I now the only notes I have le journaling is me and Declan will leave each other notes all the time. So like whoever, we have them all. So anytime whoever's leaving the house, say if you're not going to see each other for a few days. So we have more of a baluchan than notey. But I'm Kayla tá deal in a gum, and I find now that rather than a veg tree of gachlog skakia, it's like Northara they can leshkri of a gum. I'm going to write it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bhí mis swin if we saw. Like, I think the Ryan Dini tá kind of me and Aku a rian a ágáil sa down, Aaron down, right? And idir tríd like ruddy a scríb le currag and gate glúnella nu like Ali na crohu nu ruddig into a crohu le kintu go my sheed go my rian saku falka Aaron down. Like now they're like Kerry Cap and Shiv Shifui shade and Shiv and Kinal Dinish. I think the Ryan thing it's really tough to dove go milk ruddig and falka in a nia.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I think it's more for your count. It's like getting it out, aren't they? You know, like dialogue lesson mochanatá got. I found anything that I've ever written in a diary entry form in recent times has been me wanting to like figure out a way I'm feeling.
Yes.
You know, me a small now like a Thomas Shakespeare some honest about the noun and get X, Y, and Z from it. It's purely selfish. It's for me to make sense of what I'm thinking. And to try and see it and read it back, and that's how, you know. Yeah,
I feel like that too. Even Ruddy Crohu, new Aver Crohu, I just feel like if I don't do it, I'll burst because it's just preoccupied and I have to like get it out of my system. I think that's a weird way of looking at ruddy if you're like, I want to do this because I want to leave my mark on the world. Because then, like, is it a true form of your self-expression, or is it like,
oh, I wouldn't
you know?
want anyone, by the way, to read the things that I write.
Yeah, I suppose it's not even few dílna tá méid smuoineh faoin sin, just agus méid léh faoi seo, agus is smuoineh faoi seo, just méid smuoineh níos leithne again. And I know that will roint daoine out there. And I think tá roint daoine atá really panicked faoin smuoineh nuair a imíonn siad knock my aon with fáca in a nia. So I just think it's a really interesting concept. Like, for me personally, I don't think I'd be intent on like leaving something behind, you know, like but I think the roint daoine, it's like there tá siad cráta leis an smuoineh seo.
Well, sure, Rod really simul, because it is like, it was Garner that do journaling, like it's you and your thoughts on just a page. So like you have to bleed on the page, like you bleed on the page. You know, well, dumsa anyway, like that do Ron or Ruddy go really dacker adval Adina Ella or whatever. So it's a very confronting thing if you're not compor the clishin, I suppose. You can run away from that's the thing about emotions, isn't it? Like, you know, you eventually have to meet them, but you can run away from them for a really long time. But matatu you know, matatu a din of journaling. It's constantly a meeting of yourself. Yeah, you know,
Totally.
Yeah, I think there's really different. I think there's two sides to that. If you're trying to be creative and leave something, or you know, work something out creatively in your head, like we work in the arts, I'm sure you all have sat down with a pen and paper before, being like, I have this idea, how could I develop it? I think that's come on different. Like sometimes think journaling can be so intimate that it's just you and your diary. I would hate anyone to be a Glea Vainrod. I think that it would be just so, some of the stuff you write, you're like, I'd never even in a million years say this.
Admit that, yeah. You know? But this is interesting. Ditche Mark Dortu go simigut about journaling, because going to obviously Tormach le Pasta. So like, if obviously a scree of Rod, you know, gym vetach and pasta, fechant air. So that's a different type of journaling as opposed to the one we're talking about, maybe.
Yeah, Bader. Well, so Rivishaw. Yeah. So if I shock law, I'm HVED journaling. Okay. Go show. Okay. So I'll talk you through my shocked law. Okay. So law hain, I felt like I was writing the Newark there school.
Okay.
In you on board. Hot mate broken new. I just didn't know what to write for Neil Stage you know. Law though, writer's block. Fucking clueless, right?
Okay.
Law tree, screef me. I was like, obviously
writer's block, like it's raining outside. Could you?
But I was so I was really disheartened for law hain, because I was like, that's related from like wrong Ninan Vora, like Shiva, come on up your game, like you're more creative than this. Yeah. But there Erin True Law, I was like, no, look, obviously to make Sula Pashta to Nyart like Mohukan, agus Winty, really physical. So scream if we should Erin True Law. Law ever a caher, it just flowed. It was like her hit me rash stocks and oats. Erin Google off with me fuivru Emma, so just grief me couple Albert, but on Sheu Law. Oh my God. I don't know if me really Mohukan but law change, grief me gal lachnik umlan. And like dun door, I kind of took a minute to really reflect and process what I'm feeling. Whereas normally I feel if like Matamishe Mohu I just get busy. I grab something and I do it. Yeah, you know? So actually Ligshe showed them like she is agus pro Shali and Mohukan. It felt healthier than a spin class. It was like an emotional enema. Honestly, just a release. Erin Bopper. So in new law shock, so did I knock day, and I'll let us know how I got on a reach. But like I like Tammy really sauce the fiuk me sus and pion agus me too slash because
honest simply like it's literally, you know, just do it.
Have you heard of the Artist's Way?
No.
Yeah, it's like Rudge Dina Tag over a Rud Croyoch. It's like a program for like 3V where, you know, you do your morning pages and then change your rag and you bring yourself on like these solo dates, whatever. But anyway, Shin and Rugner, she had sorry into Irigar Armadan and just clear, 2 pages or 3 pages or whatever, which I used nervy a couple of being and I was like religious at them. But yeah, it's that kind of thing. But it's similar when you do it over a length of time, because obviously thought and made Tá ancha dahar a Trish Tarlu the hill bliana nus and like God again blianella, it's going to be even more mental. But you know, and then like you look back and like 3VO and I didn't actually realise, but like a lay of sheer, actually I was like, you know, really stuck in this emotion or on Rudshaw and Vishisha really cursed Acharam, and then, you know, it kind of helps you join the dots, you know, but it like sometimes you have to be a year out of something, 6 months out of something before you actually even realise, fuck, that actually crushed me. Like, it could be something so stupid like, I don't know, Louise didn't like my scarf, and, you know, that, you know, and I,
straight to the journal. Well, straight to the journal.
And then 6 months later, you're like, oh my God, why is my confidence shattered? And it's actually like, hang on a minute, I can see this has been like, I think what you really talked if like, I'm very good at avoiding my emotions, but I have a lot of them. So, yeah.
See, I think it's the action of actually taking the pen and paper and writing it down, not being on a phone or anything, is putting you in a position to acknowledge those emotions and to deal with them, whether it's just you and the pen and paper, but you're doing it in a way that you wouldn't if you were on the phone or on ChatGPT or rudding or glartlet in agent, because it's like that intimacy, I think, that you have to allow yourself to express your emotions, and it's a very safe and private and healing way to do it.
But sometimes it can be Rud Casula, I thought that I was really upset because Louise, insulted my scarf or something. But then you might actually, after 6 months, realise, okay, well, that was just a symptom. What actually really annoyed me is that Shiva hated my outfit. You know what I mean? And that was, but ní higgin tú ag an am. Because you're so clouded with all of this stuff.
Totally.
So would you always go sheer and you'd read your entries?
Yeah.
Geez, I'd write it and leave it, and I'd be gone.
And weren't in there onto like, Jesus, what am I at? You know, in Mullabra Heavy well, le déanaí, it was Mullabra Heavy le déanaí, and as it'll treat them, hey, nervy mar hisa gurkuig, chum agadi on Madden Dargoon, Sarah for main train her nash. I went into town, bought myself a lovely little new notebook. He my she 16 of Rick Foscom, and I just spent wrote pages and pages about how I feel about Casa Trucado, the Sprucana Hagum, Emliana, blah blah, and then in Blian Chicata, even though it's only Blian, from Abdul Sheer, some made girl lay me Alice and live and be like, that is what things change so much in Blian. And come Sheer getting nervy me like fish and like the Sprucana Vigum nervy me fish, and I was like, that's insane, in such a short period of time. But in my mind, near Ahrik. So it's just,
And see, just kneel on Taffet Shin Agum.
Yeah.
It's mental. Oh, absolutely.
Yeah,
that's something really but it's just mental, and I think I have a really bad memory right now. So so, and you said you've written it down, and even you thought that not Reverend Sprucken H. Ahru and Erich Shin, whereas I don't have the memory of that.
Especially good das for the hosting we're in Ovula the shock dig the year it turned 2018, that New Year's, Declan and I started a thing where we wrote down 10 things we both actually very competitively picked 5 each, 5 things we thought we'd do that year, and actually in 2018 we achieved them all except one. Usually they're things we've done that since 2018, so for the last 7 years we've done it, and it's hilarious. Just on my notes app actually we have them back that far, and I should frame them now because it's so funny some of the years what we'd make like 5 and then 5 together, things that we want to do in the K-log. Anyway, just
really
on the
cute.
field, to be hilarious. So that's something that we do go minute.
So if we were allowed to come off, we deal in a command, I guess, I feel like we would have all had very different types of diaries.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't believe Ducky out her fads to Clo Goilo.
I know. I'm such a little fucking nerd. Yeah. And I used to like sure Della Guianing nervy me on a vlog. I used to be obsessed in the Finn scales smut soliach, so I'd be like always trying to collect them and like current scales in the Chela. And I used to write stories all the time as well. I used to write little books of short stories. Anyway, really nerdy and losery kind of.
No, Scream me on Irritant Dawn though. Yeah.
Sorry, that's very
I
cute.
know, they were fucking shite. And then
Very
because I
cute,
screamed for Kirsty Sport.
Yeah, mine was real Dear Diary every night, like today I did. I was obsessed when I was about 12 or 13 with a notion that I'd go to the Olympics or something. I was so competitive, and I'd be train all in Tower Fod, and I'd be like, I'm really annoyed our training went tonight, I got in trouble for this, I got this, I really didn't do this well enough. I actually was trying to find some of them to show you because it's so sad the way I spoke to
I'd
myself.
have some of mine to show
Do
you.
you?
Right?
Yes, unreal.
Turn Sheer and Scarf for a bug there.
Okay, sorry.
There you go.
Because
Can you guess what you think mine are predominantly about?
Oh, Buchley.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so Feige Mock for Vone to make it a conference jock. It's a group of WhatsApp.
I'm obsessed with this.
Oh, I'm
Shiva.
already cringing. Oh,
Mahu.
no, it's
Sacrificing for your art.
Yeah,
Go
okay.
on. Céinish now.
So,
I
thus knew I think the Nakade Kuplican was like Hain Deg Do Yeg, and then Tamer Agadi like Car Deg Kuig Deg.
Yeah.
So, okay,
was
so
so
Sean
cute.
Cade Cairn was one of the Negan and Count Shaw Leva Mock.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
Sorry, Vian Dealan show come on.
Oh my
The
God.
exact one.
Okay, go on there, Leva Mock out.
Today was Brillo, Momo and Dado went home. At Mass, we were sitting across from John! Exclamation mark. And me and Emma were plaguing him today.
Playing with him.
Oh, sorry, playing with him today. I don't know what else to say. I think I'll just think about them. Score. 10 out of 10.
Right, so I'd score my days.
Oh my
okay?
God. Sorry, that is incredibly
No.
cute. And look, you're still a suggestive little
Sorry,
dibble.
your
There's
10
more.
out of 10 day was math.
There's more.
What's
Yeah.
happening?
Oh my
Well,
God.
no, hold on. There's more. Wait
Okay,
till you
go on.
find out who was John. Right?
I'm dying to know. Right. I saw him. I saw John on Friday. I haven't seen him or Edward for ages. I've got to go out on the road more. Sorry. So you were a woman of the road and they were the neighbours.
Oh
Jedward.
my God.
Sorry, stop it. I saw him. I saw John on Friday. I haven't seen him or Edward for ages.
You're the road of the
Oh,
road.
right, she's calling like an owl. No, they were just.
take it though. Yeah, if they're in
Oh my God,
air coach
Ruth Jedward.
Oh my God. No, that is iconic.
Oh my God.
No, I'll never top that.
Be mé scríb in my Yeelan Fweed Jedward.
Sorry, Julia, that's the
So
best
sorry,
I've
who was
ever
it
heard.
that you liked? You liked John.
I liked John. stuff.
Obsessed with that,
Wow.
Shiva. That is fucking amazing.
That's probably the most personal thing I've ever shared on Bud Credit
Yeah.
now, guys.
Oh my God, Mahu.
Yeah.
Mahu.
Okay. Now I do
Sorry,
have,
I hate the way you didn't rate that day.
Yeah.
was obviously a 10 if I saw Jed for sure.
Yeah.
true.
10.
Oh my
Okay,
God,
so
I'm-
the cúpla cín gum. Now
Big gun.
these, some of these. Now, like, bhí cho agamsa im law of Armagin,
Okay.
but I was like, I can't let the colony actually go through these because
Okay,
there are
fair.
some things in this that I would rather.
Row free road.
I'd
That's
quit
all right.
How to Gael.
Yeah,
That
okay.
were the-
Oh, really?
Like, no, some of them
Oh,
are.
you
They're
creator.
so bad. Okay, so these are
okay.
still quite bad. Okay. Here's another excerpt. Now, sure, oh, God, a cahar, so may rub your shinna.
Oh
Okay.
wow, go on there.
Okay. The 17th, Thursday, June 2004. My diary. We are home from France about a week, and I keep thinking, in brackets, and daydreaming about Ryan Smith, the guy I met in France. He is 12 and officially gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
He has two brothers. His two brothers are sound. Kieran is 7, 8 on the 28th of June. Good to know. And very cute. Martin is 13 and, well, sound. I am mad about Ryan. Mad in capital letters. But I don't think that he fancies me. Oh, it's very upsetting, kind of. I have them on tape, though, and pictures.
Okay, and then Araika and Kate
That
Cianella.
is so cute, Shiva.
Go on, Louise, you did on Karen
Go
Shaw.
on. Okay. Oh wow, here we go. Is this the next day?
Yeah.
The 18th, Friday, June 2004.
Oh, I'm obsessed with this.
I'm going to marry Ryan when I'm older.
Marry.
I'm going to marry Ryan. Sorry. I'm going to marry Ryan when I'm older. I really, really am. Una is my maid of honour. Aideen, Amy and Alex will be my bridesmaids.
Oh my God.
I'll have a plain cream dress, straight and smooth. With a V dip down the back. Oh, and a small train.
Oh, that's not a million miles.
It's
For your
calling.
actual wedding dress.
And I also want a pink rose in the middle. And at the top, it'll be perfect. The dress and the wedding, and then we'll have kids. Their names will be Shiva.
I always wanted to call one of my
God,
kids
Shiva.
Shiva. Yeah.
Rosie,
Oh my God,
Afri-
obsessed.
Nathan.
Nathan, I think.
Nathan.
I love your
Right,
Afri-
are you going to out your future child name here? We can be sure it's not going to be a Nathan anyway.
And for the girls, and for the boys, there'll be Ryan, Aaron, Dara, and Romeo. I don't want 8 kids though, but I want a Ryan lookalike, a tanned, blonde, bright, blue-eyed, and English accent.
Oh no!
Oh no!
I was going to say that's close.
I might travel for a bit with Ryan before I settle.
Off to Thailand.
I'd like to go to New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, France, and Germany. And then I live in either New Zealand, Great Britain, or Ireland. Now, I don't know yet, but I'm not. Something.
Da-da-da.
Very good.
Like-
Sorry.
Girl, you had it all sussed out.
Honestly,
You had it all
sussed
sussed out.
We may im a romantic ogre rogu me. Honestly, like knock more gach lahan og of togger go to bukli.
You are gas. Just boy mad.
And now finisha. Do you know what I mean? Like
Oh,
as if you didn't.
You are fucking gas.
Fusation calling though, because who hasn't thought about that at Fosnius?
Yeah,
you know, like
fair.
that's a really young
Yeah,
girl.
but you
thing to
devoting like this is like trees were
Serious.
felled for
yeah,
this.
Yeah. But like It's so
I think
important
that's
to do that.
really cute.
Same.
I'm so
I think
cute.
it's
A little
gorgeous.
insight into Shiva. Oh,
It's gas.
Yes.
And then Vianna quit Danta, but the Danta were just...
Go on, give us an L Dawn.
No, I didn't take pictures of the Dawn. No. Oh my God, it's a number Mohu Khan for an 11-year-old. Like,
Well, if you want, I'll offer you up a verse of a song that I wrote. Nervy Misha Haindig for. I was going to enter it in for the Late Late Show.
Go on. The toy show.
The Late Late
Did you
Show
see her
show.
go?
Yeah, the Late Late Show. And I still remember because I thought it was amazing.
Okay.
go on.
Okay. I wake up and it's snowing and I hear the sound of music going. Happy's what I am today. It's Christmas. Hooray. That's the first verse.
They're really Sula hair on, going up
I know. But guys, know your audience. Late Late Toy Show.
Yeah.
Famously, not a lot of guys.
Well, listen, Patrick Keelty, Aragla Quilty, Egg Fair during Epsha, during is ready to rock for the late toy show, Emilina.
No.
But
Oh
I
my
get a
God.
little red scarf.
I'd
little red and white
love to
bonnet.
be like the guest that come out and surprise a child that's
I
mad about them.
know.
I don't know, do any posh, do you listen to How to
I
Wild?
doubt it.
But
Legend on Shy can be the kind for you. Know.
But I want our...
Do you remember the little
the
fellow
Girls
who
Aloud?
cried at Girls Aloud?
Girls Aloud came out and he bawled his eyes
bawling
out.
his
I want
eyes, I'm
that.
sure,
I want to
yeah.
make a child cry on the Late Late.
Well, look, you're going to have loads of chances, right? Because when you have your own child
You'll
now,
have
you
your
can
own
make him
little-
cry every year at the Late Late Toy Show. Up to bed. No.
That was very, very cute.
Bhí
Yeah.
sé sin really, really cute.
Can I really hate me fin an uchtú on chin,
Yeah.
guys?
No,
Like,
I
I've-
think Doug sé really sinanta agus endearing, so
Yeah.
that's all right.
Yeah, except for the
None
English
of-
accent part.
I
well, that's
know,
all right.
But it
Well,
is
we
funny
let you.
and stuff. I've been bug Ladani and I'm bringing back the diaries from one house to the other. Actually, and I just opened like it's gas the shit that you say. Like I had a really funny entry from Rag Week, okay, in college, and I was like, I really tore the arse out of it. Now I was so drunk, I need to stop drinking like this and getting like blackout drunk, right? But I was like, it's so funny how much things change and say the same.
I just said,
Do you know, but it was like so many of my entries were me if I felt shit or guilty about something. I would just write it in there.
I know.
Jeez,
It
fair
was
play.
vacant, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, I was closing it away, packing it away, being like, never to see again.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shansker. Well, I should have done that instead of just spilling my guts to go. Anya,
Actually,
I could have listened.
I
would
wish
have
I
listened.
just think of it because I did screenshot it to send to my sister. I was like, P.S. Do you know the way would you put a P.S. at the bottom of it? P.S. I badly need braces. So, you know, like the stuff. I don't know why you'd P.S. I'd always put a little P.S. there, but they.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
But sure, like I think also we copied a lot of what we saw
Yeah,
Telefeast, you know,
yeah.
Dear Diary,
Yeah.
like
Absolutely.
Scríb me a Dear Diary and not equate them all
Oh,
entries,
yeah.
But bhí
you
sé
know,
normal to-
you know.
Yeah, bhí sé normal.
And bhí mar leir ní siú Louise fui like
Yeah.
na dílana bhí gáil beag to Anna Og,
Yeah.
you know, the ones that were like voice activated and any wrote sin a riomhagam so but you know na Keane
Yeah.
Hathawk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And you'd have a
the
little
Locust
ochre-
ones.
yeah.
Yeah. I had
little
loads of them. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
I
great.
used to have a best friendship diary as well that I could only open with my friend Kaylee. And we'd need to each other's voices or something to open them. Or was it?
No,
did they link in?
I think they linked together.
They linked in.
Yeah,
We used
yeah,
to make
yeah.
little lists of the people that we liked. She moved school, so the bun school I was in Kilgorn only had 2 in my class, the slim pickings for the owl shifts. But then she went to go there and she'd have a whole load of boys. So we used to make a list. I'd be like, in Kaylee's school there is.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah.
you'd
You
have all
have
the
to
little-
rate all the
And is
booty.
that where you first locked eyes on Declan Hannon?
Different school. No, he was in the boys' school.
Oh.
But you know what's a funny one? There's a boys' school, a girls' school, and 2 mixed schools in Adair. And for the Cade Camonach, the boys' school and the girls' school would come together, and you'd get a partner, a boy and a girl would walk up for communion together. So my friend Emer of the Cloister Girls, the girls' school in Adair, used to be like, I begs this boy, like I begs walking up with Stephen, or I begs, like they begs the boy. That they'd walk up in. What age? When did you get your
Age,
Kate
like, yeah,
Camuino.
Kate
Or
Camuino.
Kate Camuino.
No, you're Cade Queenach, yeah. When you're 8, and they'd be like, I begs walking up with, and everyone wanted to
I
walk up with one
begs?
boy. Like you begs,
Bagsy.
bagsy him. Yeah, begs, we say.
Oh, spatial.
It's like
There you go.
Beg
It's different
Peter.
about that now.
Difference
you
in culture,
could-
difference in cultures
Yeah, yeah.
now, you know.
Yeah.
It's all
walk up.
coming
I
out.
had no choice. There's only 2 in my class. We had to walk up together. It's like a little wedding.
So are you going to continue on Lesson Journaling, Sinead?
Tá mé control of Windows, absolutely. And like I think again too, so I was like, I need prompts, you know. I
Yeah,
know like
yeah,
app or an iPhone graffiti or auto
yeah,
Huggins prompts
yeah,
this, you know,
yeah.
yeah. law. But like there's also a journaling app and I don't like the idea of doing it on my
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah.
Color
Tá sé,
no,
bhfuil ag an-
there,
an the
absolutely.
method.
I was on phone her us and Malak, us
Yeah.
and Rark, you know.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
now that we definitely couldn't manage Lesh because yeah, I feel like I've just started it's just the tip of the iceberg. I've
Yeah.
you know, I've
Yeah.
just begun to
Yeah.
scratch the
Yeah,
itch.
totally. And
So
take a
tá
Lord
mé
of
cunt.
you know.
Yeah,
Figure it all
daily.
out.
For Misha Brunton is today. Well, it would Cooper when I still have it in the apartment, and it's a gratitude. It's just a journal, and every day is a blank page, and it's one thing I'm grateful for today, and just kind of rud one a scríbhaisteach. And sometimes I go back to that, and I'm like, oh, just cursteach an dáte agus rud one will tú buíochas.
Yeah.
See, you didn't really motivate me though, because I'm like one thing I'm grateful for, like I don't know.
No,
I
don't
don't
be
think
so cynical about it. Like, I'm
Yeah.
grateful to be fucking alive and breathing. Like, it's been a shit day.
Beidir é.
Oh
I
my
don't know.
god! Nervy May in Movie and down with my PhD, and I was so depressed and really like just couldn't be arsed and Rutherford. And I was like, how am I going to get over this? So hustling my gin of shin, hustling my tree grow my buich and like that. Honestly, that hurts my brain chemistry.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like, and then you'd be like scream like pages and pages. Being like, oh my god, to my whole buich go arid me lab with teher madden garev. You know, arrogant gum nation task for a shoe. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Rodri. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like practicing gratitude. I don't know what it is about me.
No,
I've
I know, but you have
never
these
enjoyed it.
notions like where you'll just like be like, no, I don't like that before you've actually thought about it. Or into like herstory. Do you remember you're like, you don't like herstory? On fuckle herstory.
I don't. I hate it.
Yeah.
That's okay. You can hate words.
Her story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because giving a feminine perspective on history,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah,
Yeah,
probably
yeah,
cynical. Take care.
No, I know.
looked at that's the one you
I just don't have. I don't have an
pick
opinion.
where they can
Like
see
Tara
the-
and Carrot good, but I
Yeah.
don't. You
I don't know. I'm thinking of like, it's not that deep. Like some of the things, one of the things that I'd written I was grateful for was like, I'm grateful Declan's coming up to Dublin tomorrow and we're getting a takeaway. Woo!
Yeah, I'm always
Next
grateful
page,
for a
do you know, so
takeaway.
where they
God.
it can be where they can eat.
Okay, well look, to make a line flesh Rhinos
Yeah.
and Wolhin done a hey story Tree of Wintos come off because I really feel will Ruddy can tuss a go
Fair
like
play.
no it's kind of on a flawn tool, you know? Yeah.
There
we go. Well, especially when I have a 6-hour fucking screen time.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah. Swings and roundabouts. Okay, book it right, Colony. Yups agus yachts na seachtainna. Ooh, you had a yup.
Yup na seachtainna. Olivia Dean. Do you know her? Okay, it's Pop Hioltori. Oh, London. Sorry, you'd love her. She could be a woman for the scarf. She's just fab. That's all. She's my yup. She's very hot and talented, and I really like her.
It's brought on tain ar on Olivia Dean Tharos gum like I said she clutch got to her gach dara
She's kinda
real
smooth
TikTok.
pop.
Na, 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 na.
She reminds me of, do you remember Izzy Bizu who did White Tiger, Roller Coaster, whatever. She reminds me of her, but she's
That's
not
beautiful,
her.
Louise.
Thank you so much. I've been practicing. No, anyway, look her up, Olivia Dean.
No idea
Very
what's
cool.
going on here. Okay, yeah.
Very nice, very hot, beautiful looking. I'm sure her in a pink dress at a Bristol concert, just because I really liked this dress as well.
Well-
That's my yup, is her.
Well, my up, you don't even have to ask, is bringing
Sorry,
the
there's
scarf
The false alert
out.
tweet,
False alert tweet is
Yeah,
the
in
scarf.
case, in case you're wondering, if you've just tuned back in,
Yeah.
she's still talking about the scarf quarter.
Yeah.
Thought well if he guy yakagum, but Sean's just gleaming like can wine. Okay, it's traitors. I'm gonna brand new are loving it. Obviously, my yak is not the traitors. I'm obsessed. That's the traitors. Siobhan McSweeney rhyming the word crater, but she rhymed it with traitor.
Anava.
No, because she made it sound like she didn't use the soft T. She said crater, mershit.
Oh, instead of crater.
Do you know what I mean?
Crater, because I'm traitor.
Just to make it rhyme with traitor. Am I being am I gatekeeping?
Yeah. Beidir é. I think crater, just all the one.
But she didn't say crater, traitor.
She
You know,
said,
she said
crater.
the poor crater.
Traitor.
Now about the traitors.
But maybe RTE made her do that. You know?
Yeah, beta right.
RTE, traitor. You know, like they, what is, do you ever see those videos? It's like 1 week working with RTE, 2 weeks, a year working with RTE. So like how many episodes of the
Look, Laura there in
traitors?
Gaffol Baron Gain. I think she's doing well.
Yeah.
Guys.
Well, if she came out saying something like that, now I'd be worried.
Siobhan McSweeney though, we
we
love
love.
you. We
Sorry, she
love
loves
Siobhan
McSweeney.
McSweeney.
Do you know she had a gorgeous scarf on from Aidach by Sarah O'Neill?
Yes, Conor Shin.
Oh,
Obviously,
obviously
Shreve North down to
she
Stockbridge.
had
Yeah.
that. Go up the scarves up, Siobhan.
And Ruther Whitey Erhan actually fwy the traitors not thought she'd kind of tá gailge le fescin agus a clustáil ann and not in a malach like gailge. You know, tá she kind of not really fit to food, but like níos mó in Corella.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm like Shin came absolutely stroke
Yeah.
Deadly.
but it's crater.
Yeah. Although I didn't
traitor.
like that one clip. Do you remember Eamon? He's well gone now. He was a traitor, but he was.
I haven't watched any of it.
Have you not? It is actually.
He was gas.
Yeah, but he was. But he was like, so you want to get your Lero D out?
No, he was like,
Or was
yeah,
it like-
that was great. I thought
What
he was
did he say
gas.
about yours?
He was like talking about Paddy. He was like, he needs to find his Lear roadie.
Oh, yeah, the Lero
He was
D.
gas.
Yeah.
And then he was like, I need to get rid of that little Gaelgore, you know, Slán Gaffol. I thought he was gas.
I
He
liked
was
him
great.
really good.
And like
Yeah.
he'd near have Gaelgag and fire shop. If it's just a
Yeah.
coffee shop and
Yeah,
football
yeah,
show,
yeah.
I just thought
Fair play.
it was a great example
Sorry,
of
girl,
like,
you on the up to the ox?
sorry. Traders is a yup.
Yeah,
All right,
okay,
Traders is a yup.
Traders yup.
All right.
Always a yup, okay.
Gloosh. So Dealan is there now. He is a journal. I don't know. I will brie her own like I don't think a Dealan new.
Scríomh?
Like Scríomh and Neelan, I'd say.
Scríomh, yeah.
Yeah.
A Machnov.
A Glocknothi.
Yeah,
Black and
Scríomh
Nose
Runda. Like, I think it's all ruined the dumps anyway.
You
Or
are.
Príomháideach. Yeah, I would be in my dealing. Like, they would all be Scríomh.
Clachte, well, a bheith buíoch as rud.
Yeah, that's good.
You know, yeah, I don't know, Yuri Dinamach, like, how would you say, you know, gratitude, like, you know,
Buíochas a gáil bríochtas, a gáil bríochas.
yeah, well, yeah,
A clacht de buíochas, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
True. Yeah, clacht the buíochas nu.
And then ná dé nos, ná bris nos.
Anna
bhar,
Var,
yeah.
Támic an nos dhéanamh.
Yeah.
Níimic na bhrise.
Ma van,
Hey,
ma van,
yeah.
yeah. Bulverine the Swinta.
On a
Taken
walk.
back. Yeah. Does
Murray
she?
Ennimer and you've.
Yes.
I'm already regretting it. The
Yeah.
Broderm Jedward.
Agus
Tá sin anna glóirte.
agus gan out Urwan Ella scarf. SCAI.
Sorry, like, do we not have this in Cork? I love
No, we did. I said
Not
Urwan
Seclusion.
Ella.
Oh,
Urwan
Urwan
Ella. Oh,
Ella.
did we have it seclusion?
I don't think we had it in
Well,
Seclusion.
listen, there's a solution.
I think it might be Seclusion Gok shocking to show.
I
That's me
know,
and
yeah,
I'd say
this-
if
we're
this
gonna
girl
have-
has her way.
Yeah.
Amelia Earhart.
Yes.
Where have you been? Having great this in Atlantic.
I mean, yeah, me flying over the Atlantic now, Dublin, New York. Anyway.
Okay,
Right.
well, Gurmín Mágah, a cuairte as éiste linn agus gur mágad fáilte Ireland as Earth and a bhar an bull creile seo Mars Canach agus go dtíon shopping tugan.
Slán.